Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use advanced search filters on master jobs on PC. Why would you want to know how to use advanced search filters on master jobs on PC? Well, maybe it is your first time using PC and not sure how to use advanced search filters on master jobs on PC. So today I am going to show you how to use advanced search filters on master jobs on PC. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Using advanced search filters on master jobs on PC is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, you need to open any browser. I am using Chrome browser. Click on it. Now at the top search bar, write monster.com. Now you are seeing master job website. Here at the left corner, you are seeing find jobs. Click on it. Now you can find any type of job by clicking job keyword in search bar. For example, I am willing to write any keyword and then click on search. Now you are seeing filter icon. Click on it. From here, you can filter jobs easily and then click on view results. So there you go. If you are wondering how to use advanced search filters on master jobs on PC, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.